Hello, I am Sarika. Welcome once again in my class. Today we will do article. But before proceeding our today's topic article, I would like to do the revision of our previous topic, which was the use of these and those. First we will do the revision of the spelling these and those. Now let's start with me. We spell these as T-H-E-S-E, these. Again I am repeating the spelling of these. T-H-E-S-C, these, and the spelling of those will be T-H-O-S-E, those. Again I am repeating the spelling of those. T-H-O-S-E, those. I am repeating the spelling 2 times because you should know the spelling, because spelling plays a great role in our English language, so we should know each word spelling correctly. Now I will explain you one more time these and those with some live examples. Okay. Now see. First I will go with this color pens. Now see. I am holding some pens in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 colorful pen I am holding in my hand. Can you tell me what you do with these colorful pens? Yes. You all draw in your art file some pictures and you fill the color with these sketch pens. Now what I will say, now you can see I am holding these pens in my hand and these pens are pretty much close to me. So I will say these are pens. What I will say? These are pens. Now I am keeping these pens little bit far away from me. Can you see? Now this pen are not closer to me, it are further far away from me. Now I will say those are pens. What I will say? Those are pens. Now I'm bringing this pens close to me. Now I will say these are pens. Now again the pens are far away from me. Now I will say those are pens. Okay. Now second example I would like to give. Now see, I am holding a beautiful bird cage in my hand. Can you see? Just see. Now first let's start. How many birds are there? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 birds in this cage. Now I am holding this cage. Now see, and this bird cage is very much near to me. So what I will say, these or those? Yes, we will say these. Now we will say these are birds. What we will say? These are birds, because these birds are close to me. So I will say these are birds. Now again this bird's cage are a little bit far away from me. Now I will say those are birds. What I will say? Those are birds. When the bird's cage they come little bit nearby, then I will say these are birds. Now it is little bit it is little bit far away from me, then I will say those are birds. Okay. Now again, last time I want to repeat it again. The things which are close to you and they are in ample number, then you will say these, and the same thing that they go little bit far away from you and they are in ample of numbers, then you will say those. These indicate the things which are close to you and those indicates those objects that are little bit far away from you. Again, these are birds, those are birds. These are birds, those are birds. Okay. Now we will come with our today's topic, article. Now see, I have written on the whiteboard articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S, articles. There are 3 articles in our English language. A and the. I am repeating, there are 3 articles in our English language. A and the. Okay. Now today we will go through article the. Now see, the is a definite article, or you can say specific. Definite article, or you can say specific. We use the when we know we are talking about a particular. We use the when we talk about some particular. Okay. Now in the easy way I would like to explain you that the we use for only one person, one place, or for one thing. Now tell me, how many suns are there in our universe? 2. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I know. You all are thinking ma'am is kidding with us, but very much true. I'm kidding with you. There is only one sun in the universe. So we will say what? A sun, an sun, or the sun. Yeah, we will say the sun because sun is only one. So we are going to use the sun. What we will say? The sun. So I'm writing some example of article the. Okay. Now see, always remember that article the is used before singular or plural noun. Always remember article the is used before and after singular or plural nouns. Sun, moon, Mount Everest, Taj Mahal. Now see, I've written some words. You can see sun, moon, Mount Everest, Ganga, Taj Mahal. As I said you that there are three articles in our English, a and the. Sorry, let me write it again. A and the. Now I will explain you where we have to use article the. The first, as I have written, sun. Now we all know that there is only one sun. So what we will write? The sun, because it is only one in the whole universe. So we are writing the sun. The sun. Now second is moon. Now tell me how many moons are there in our universe? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I know, you know there is only one moon. So in this case we will write the moon. We will not say a moon and moon, but we will say the moon. So I am writing T-H-E, the moon. Now number third is Mount Everest. Have you heard the name of Mount Everest? Now let me explain you. Mount Everest is a very huge mountain and it is a very big mountain and it is only one in the world. There is no two Mount Everest. So in this case again we will say the Mount Everest because Mount Everest is only one. So we will say the Mount Everest. The Mount Everest. Now next is River Ganga. So as we all know, River Ganga is a holy river and Ganga is only one. So we will say the Ganga. What we will say? The Ganga. T-H-E, the Ganga. The last is Taj Mahal. What I have written? Taj Mahal. As you all know, Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument and it is in Agra. So again, Taj Mahal is only one in the whole world. So here also we will use the Taj Mahal. What we will use? The Taj Mahal. Again I am repeating. The is used before singular or plural noun and it is used for specific or you are talking about some particular. So in that case we use the. Now tell me which is the best school of Bikaner. We all know Seth Tolaram Bafna is the. Why I am using this word? Seth Tolaram Bafna is the. Because Bafna school is only one in Bikaner. There is no two Bafna school. It is only one in the city. So I am using Seth Tolaram Bafna is the. Just mind my word, the best school of Bikaner. Now one more example I would like to give you. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is only one. It is there is no two Jaipur. There is only one Jaipur. So once again I repeat, the thing which is only one or we are talking about some particular or some specific. So we will say the. What we will say? The. So let's repeat one more time whatever we did today. First let's start with these and those. The spelling of these is T-H-E-S-E, these, and the spelling of those is T-H-O-S-E, those. And the thing which are close to us, and there are in lots of number, but they are close to you, so we say these. What we say? These. Again I am showing the example. I am holding some pen in my hand. I will say these are pens. What I will say? These are pens. Now I keep this pen little bit far away from me. Then I will say those are pens. What I will say? Those are pens. Again I am showing you this bird cage. These are birds. What I will say? These are birds. Now I am keeping this bird little bit far away from me. So I will say those are birds. These are birds. Those are birds. Again, these are birds. Those are birds. Okay. Now again, there are three articles in our English language, a and the, and always remember the is used before singular or plural noun. It is also used when we are talking about some particular or some specific. As we all know, there is only one sun, so we will say the sun. What we will say? The sun. Again we know there is only one moon in this whole universe, so we will say the moon. The third is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is a huge mountain. It is only one in the world, so we will say the Mount Everest. What we will say? The Mount Everest. Ganga. Ganga is a holy river, and it is only Ganga is only one. There is not thousand of Ganga, so we will say the Ganga river. What we will say? The Ganga. Now next is Taj Mahal. So what we will say? The Taj Mahal. What we will say? The Taj Mahal. Sorry, I forgot to write the, so I am writing right now. The Taj Mahal. What you will say? Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument and it is in India. So we will say the Taj Mahal. Okay. And Wafna school is only one in Bikaner city. So we will say Wafna school is the best school of Bikaner. Wafna school is the best school of Bikaner. So I hope you liked my class and you understood what we discussed today. So thank you this much for today. Have a good day.